so happy. I'm elated. I words can't express it, Dr. Ruta. I'm grateful and I'm thankful.
Well, awesome. All right, so I saved you a gift. I know you've been kind of waiting for it. It's here right underneath us.
I'm excited.
So, you ready to see it?
I'm ready to see it.
All right, so I saved your skin. Let's see how it looks, all right?
Okay.
And it'll look a little bit different because it's been frozen, okay? One,
Okay.
2, and...
Oh, wow. You have got to be kidding me. And, oh my God. Yeah. And this is what I was carrying around, and this is what was impeding me from just being me at 60 years old. It's amazing. And I am truly grateful. I'm amazed at looking at this and looking at the results. And I know once the swelling goes down, we're going to be well pleased. We really are. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm trying not to cry, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
It means a lot for you, so no,
I do.
Of course.
Oh my God.
Let me get you some tissue here.
I'm not gonna ugly cry. That's a lot. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
So tell me, obviously it means a lot to you that this was removed from you. How was it bothering you on a day-to-day basis?
I always had to cover up, and it was just, I couldn't see past the belly, and then just the weight of it, and just now knowing that I had a hernia, now I understand why sometimes my stomach would just be so tight and hurt around the belly button. I just didn't understand it. It just trying to fit into clothes. I always bought my clothes too big to cover, my shirts larger in order to cover, but it just didn't feel right. It just felt heavy, my center was off. And now that this is gone, and just I feel more just balanced, just physically and spiritually as well. It means a lot now. This is how it's supposed to be. I don't have to pick up and lift and make sure that even with that amount, that the drying and sometimes the chafing from the area. So just the overall well-being and aesthetic of everything is just amazing. I can't stop looking at it because I knew it was a lot. I just had no idea it was that much.
Yeah. That's one of the reasons why I actually show it to patients, is because it's actually always more than people think. And I think it actually makes you feel more comfortable with the decision that you also made in the past, because
yes,
there are some patients who sometimes feel, oh, it's vanity, it's this, it's that, or I could have done it on the gym, and the reality is not always. And it's not vanity when it comes down to something functional.
Very functional and everything, yeah, because I think if it had been vanity for me, I would have foregone everything else that came before this, and I would have pushed it aside. But those things in family was more important. But now it was my time, and I chose me this time. And so, yeah, because vanity would have taken over a long time ago. But this was more personal, more health conscious as well. Charles said I don't even snore anymore since the hernia. So I was like, just so many different factors for it that I'm amazed, and I am so thankful that my daughter found you 2 years ago, and it took me 2 years to get here, but I was determined to get here. And now, yeah.
Awesome. Well, send my regards to your daughter.
Yes.
How happy are you?
Words cannot express what my heart is feeling right now. I'm so happy, and I'm just so grateful that, once again, that you agreed to do it. And that my Charles is here helping me. I mean, I'm so happy. I'm elated. I words can't express it, Dr. Ruta. I'm grateful and I'm thankful.
Oh my God, it means a lot. Those are happy tears, right?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And it makes my body, it's the endorphins of seeing this and the recovery, and it's just everything is just coming together. And the whole process of just feeling the love and the kindness and the time that you took to even construct such a beautiful belly button.
You're welcome.
Let's not forget that, okay?
Yeah.
To construct such a beautiful belly button, it wasn't rushed. It was time, it was love, and it's concern even, through the recovery phase. And I'm grateful. I can't express it enough. May God continue to bless your craft.
Thank you so much, and thank you for letting us being part of your journey. It really means a lot. We go into medicine willing and wanting to help people, and I think this means a lot. To see it meant so much for you. It makes my day. So I can go home happy to hug my kids too.
Well, thank you, and do so, because very talented, and I knew when we came, we left and we talked about you all the way going back home from the first meeting, and I'll say, yes, Lord, this is him, and we're grateful, so thankful, Dr. Ruda.
Oh, you're very welcome. You've been an awesome patient too.